Hello and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, and a bit of a bonus vlog from my trip here to Skegness. Now you may have already seen the two videos I've filmed so far on this trip. The first one from Fantasy Island in Ingold Mills, and then the second one from Bottom's Pleasure Beach down here on the seafront in Skegness. In that second vlog I was talking about the fact that there was actually a vintage Funfair set up down here on the front. However, they were still setting it up and it wasn't ready yet. As soon as I wrapped up the vlog from over at the Pleasure Beach, this opened up. They literally opened up the gates and opened up the ride. So yeah, I'm going to do a little bonus vlog for you all, get some more on-ride footage, and you know me, I love a good vintage fairground. And this is actually Henry Chipperfield's fairground, so we're going to head in now and get on some of the rides. So we've got the classic Helter Skelter just off to the side, there's a chair swing, there's a Dodgems, and a really nice traditional Ferris wheel as well, where your legs just dangle on it. So let's get inside, buy some tokens, and yeah, get on some rides. I believe it's £1 a token, and rides vary from 1 token through to 3 tokens. So basically you can be up to £3 a ride. So not too bad at all. In terms of when they're going to be here, this is the first day of it, and I believe they're going to be here throughout the rest of the summer, down here on the seafront in Skegness. So make sure you come and check them out. Let's get inside, buy some tokens, and get on some rides. So I bought some tokens, and like I say, there's quite a good ride selection here. You also got a little balloon ride just there as well. There's a small little train ride. You got the cars ride over there as well. And then of course we've got the nice traditional big wheel just here. So 3 tokens, £3 a ride. Let's go and have a ride on this nice traditional Ferris wheel. And of course it's facing towards the beach and the sea as well. So we should get some really nice views from up at the top. Let's go. Here we go then, on the Ferris wheel. Yeah, I really like the positioning of this. Absolutely fantastic. But yeah, I'm really pleased that this has opened up. Way! It's like a thrill ride when you're on these. Brilliant. You've got, of course, all the old music playing on here as well. Very authentic. Way! It's like being on a dive coaster or something, especially when you're on here on your own. You tilt loads. Look how much it's tilting at the side. Of course, it's not just theme parks and amusement parks that really need our support, it's travelling showmen as well. A lot of fun fairs are starting up again now, which is great. Hence why this has been allowed to reopen too, which is great. And of course, the showmen really need the support as well. Hey! Oh, it tilts so much, brilliant. Probably give the chair swing a go next, just over there. Here we go. It is like a thrill ride. Brilliant. So yeah, if you haven't already, check out the vlog from over at Pleasure Beach. You can actually see Pleasure Beach over in the distance. If we look just over there, you can see the Ferris wheel. This one's a bit more intense. It's nowhere near as big, but look at that. I feel like you're going to flip and do 360. Fantastic. You can't get more traditional than this though, can you? The sun's shining down here in Skegness on the seafront. Absolutely brilliant. It's lovely. It really is. But yeah, well, next we'll go and give the little chair swing a go next door. Here we go then on the nice chair swing. Oh, nice vibe here with all the classic music. I think it makes it, the location of it as well actually, just down here next to the beach. Really hope they have a successful summer. Like I say, the showmen really need the support as well, they really do. The whole amusement industry really needs people to go out there, support it, and also make sure that they're following all the rules as well. What really makes it though here for me is the fact they've got the Helter Skelter and then that nice old Ferris wheel next to it. Love those. It's not that many of them around these days, so it's nice to get on there. What an absolutely beautiful day though down here on the seafront in Skegness. I tell you what, you could easily spend a week down here though doing loads of attractions, all the mini golfs, all the arcades, Fantasy Island, this, the aquariums, the model village. There's so much around here now. Great place to come and bring the family over summer, it really is. Get yourselves down to Skegness. Quite a good chair swing this one actually, getting a bit of spin. Oi! Woo, beautiful. Another 3 tokens for this one, for £3 a ride. Reasonably priced, I'd say. But yeah, the Skegness Aquarium, you can actually see it's in the big grey building just there, over the water. Just about see it when we spin round. There it is. So we're going to give them Dodgems a try next. Woo! Here we go then, straight on to the Dodgems. Really nice themed cars on this one, love these. You know what the good thing is about this one, that I couldn't do down at Pleasure Beach, if you've seen the vlog, you can actually bump. So here we go, just no head-on bumping. Yeah, down at Bottom's Pleasure Beach here in Skegness, they're quite strict on the Dodgems. Here we go, let's go for these, number 1. Oh, hey! Yeah, I love the themed cars. They've actually got blue LEDs underneath as well, which are quite nice. It actually makes a change to come on a Dodgems and not actually be blasted with music. It's quite nice for a change. As much as I do like the audio, it adds to the atmosphere. I suppose you've got the really nice organ just next door that I showed you at the start of the vlog. Just literally there, the little transportable organ. So that's producing a nice bit of sound, and if there was anything too much coming from this, take away from that, wouldn't it? Oh, hey. Oh, go for number 9 again. Oh, hey. Oh, we're stuck. We're stuck together. Oh, love it. I think up next I'll give the Helter Skelter a go. Love a good classic Helter Skelter. Probably have a couple of laps around on that. I'm being quite nice actually. Normally I can be a bit evil on a Dodgem. Oh. Just teasing. Nice long cycle though. Oh. Oh. Just keeps on going. Oh. Hey. Yeah, up next, going to check out that Helter Skelter. Oh, they were absolutely brilliant. The cycle was about 5 minutes there, so really good value. Again, 3 tokens, £3 per car, not bad at all. Really nice, family fun Dodgems, and it's really nice having the music in the background here as well, from that traditional organ. Really makes it and adds to the vibe of it. Anyway, up next, going on one of my all-time favourites, childhood classic right there, the nice traditional Helter Skelter. So let's go up here and see how fast I can come down. Also, I bet the views from the top are absolutely fantastic. So let's go and find out. Here we go, really nice friendly staff here. They're absolutely brilliant. All the people, of course, that are working on the rides, and I imagine it's the people that own the attractions here. Really nice. But anyway, climbing up the steps now. He gave me a nice little brief just about how to sit on the mat just here. So here we go. Bet the view's going to be really nice from up the top here as well. Carry on around this way. A lot of steps to climb, but it's always worth it when you get up to the top on one of these. Here we go. Whew. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Down there towards the Ferris wheel, the chair swings. Oh, how nice is that? All over towards the beach and the sea. And over towards the pleasure beach. Right. Gonna try and get on this now so we don't get like friction burn or something. Here we go. So you want to put your bottom at the back, legs on the bottom, and keep my elbows in. I think that's what he said. Are we ready? Let's go. Ah! Oh, we're doing all right. Hey! Woo! Oh! And there we go. Was all right there on the Helter Skelter. Didn't get any burns down my arms or legs or anything. You just got to be so careful on those because they're quite a thin channel what you come down in on the slide. You just got to be careful, you know, you've got to keep your bum, your legs on the mat, and then of course lift your hands up a bit as well so your elbows don't get all sort of scarred down the side. But yeah, I was all right on there, it was quite comfortable. Anyway, just thought I'd come on the carousel here as well. Probably the last ride that I'm going to do down here because the other bits are just little small rides for the families really. You've got the balloon ride just here. You've got Muffin the Mule though, a little classic. Along with that as well as like a Cars little ride at the back. But yeah, it's nice to just see this down here on the seafront, adding something else to it. There's Muffin the Mule, you'll see it in the background. But yeah, so we've got a really nice atmosphere, fair pricing as well, and of course it's supporting showmen, you know, and that's what it's all about. Everybody in the industry needs that support at the moment. I'll spin you around, we'll get a bit more footage. I quite like these on the horses as well. It's like doing your dusting, feather duster. I think it's got to be the Ferris wheel that steals the show for me here though. Really like the big wheel. Yeah, there's a look at some of them kids' rides just here in the middle. Another look over there at the Dodgems as well. Yeah, nice little vlog, little bonus down here in Skegness. Good to come in and do some of the rides here. Well, we're doing what, 5 rides? So yeah, nice to come down here, give them some support and check it out. Some nice vintage rides. Really enjoyed it. A nice little bonus vlog from my trip here to Skegness. Like I say, didn't know it was happening at all. Came down here last night, saw the, wow, look at him go. Saw the construction taking place and all the lights are on and they were still building the Ferris wheel, and I thought, oh, you know, maybe I might get it tomorrow or it might be over the weekend. But no, managed to get it today. Been on 5 different rides, got some great POVs and love the organ playing in there as well. Really makes it. Of course, the Ferris wheel being the highlight. Really enjoyed the Helter Skelter, but friendly staff, good good prices, supporting the showman, that is what it's all about. But nice little bonus video from down here. And that's the beauty of doing what I do. You don't know sometimes what you're going to find. You might be driving along somewhere and see a Funfair or see a coaster somewhere that you didn't expect when you're on a trip abroad. That is the beauty of doing YouTube and going to these theme parks and attractions. You never really know what you're going to find, and that was a nice little surprise this trip. Nice little bonus. And yeah, I'm going to carry on now and with the trip. Well, thank you very much for joining me in these 3 different vlogs from down here in Skegness. Of course, the first one up in Ingolmells, Fantasy Island, then Pleasure Beach, and then of course here from Henry Chipperfield's nice vintage Funfair. Really good fun. It's been great. Thank you very much for watching. That means it's time to cue those credits. See you all in the next vlog.